Knee pain is one of those painful, irritating, troublesome problems that often come and go. Well, what if you could stop knee pain with exercises you can do at home? In this video, you are going to learn how to stop knee pain with 5 easy home exercises. Let's do it. This video is going to show you 5 of the easiest, most effective home exercises that will stop your knee pain. And that is because the knee is a very simple joint that essentially moves forwards and backwards into extension or flexion. Now, as always, this is an educational video, so if you want tailored care, find a professional and take their advice. The first exercise that we're going to do is the quad set. Now, a quad set is a controlled isometric contraction of the quadriceps muscle. Now, this is going to increase a little bit of strength, but also connect the brain to muscle, which will allow voluntary control where we need it. This is going to help stabilize the knee. So for the quad set knee pain exercise, you're going to have your leg out straight in front of you. Now, from here, what we need to do is actually fire and contract your quadricep muscles. And this is essentially going to be like pulling your knee down towards the floor. Now, as you do this, I want you to hold this position for 5 seconds. We're going to do 10 repetitions, and we can do this for up to 3 sets. Next, we're going to be doing a straight leg raise for knee pain. Now, that means we're going to be taking our quad set one step further, and we're actually going to increase and bring in hip flexion. So it's going to look like this. We're going to lean back slightly. And again, we're going to be squeezing down on that quad muscle. And as we squeeze down, we're going to elevate the foot into the air. We're going to do this between 12 and 15 inches, and we can lower it back down. Now, again, we want to make sure that this knee is staying flat, the leg is straight, and we're not raising or lowering in a strange manner. So again, leg straight, squeeze the knee down towards the floor, lift 12 to 15 inches into the air and down. We can repeat this for a total of 10 repetitions, and we can do 3 sets of this. Next, we're going to be using a towel or a pillow. We're going to place it underneath our knee, and this is going to create a 10 to 15 degree bend in the knee, which is going to allow us to do the next exercise. The next exercise is a short quad arc exercise, which is excellent for knee pain relief. So now as we work on that short arc quad exercise for knee pain, we're going to be taking this pillow right underneath the knee. Now, we want around a 10 to 15 degree bend in the knee for this exercise. Make sure it's nice and stable, lean back slightly. From here again, we're focusing on this quad muscle to fire, and this time we're going to be raising the foot into the air. Now you can repeat this for 10 repetitions, and you can do it for 3 sets. Now, if this is far too easy for you, you can actually get an ankle weight, place it around the ankle, which is going to make this exercise slightly harder. Alternatively, you can increase the reps, go up to 30 reps for this one. And if you really want to take it a step further, do both. More reps with more weight. This is going to really work that quadricep muscle group. Now, the aim of the bridge exercise is to work on the glutes and the hamstrings, the back of the leg. This really does help control and stabilize how the knee is utilized by the brain. Contracting and squeezing your glutes and hamstrings, lift your bum into the air. Now, you're going to hold this high position for a count of 5 seconds. You're going to be maintaining that squeeze of the glutes and hamstring throughout this bridge movement. Now, if this is too easy, you could actually go and try this as a single leg bridge. Now, it's much more difficult, but don't forget, if you're going to do the single leg variation, do this on both sides. Now hold each of these 10 repetitions for a total of 5 seconds, and you can repeat this 3 times. Next up is a side lying hip abduction exercise, which is arguably one of the most effective home exercises for knee pain relief. So for this side lying hip abduction exercise, we need to lay on our side. We're going to bend the knee that is closest to the floor. So with that knee bent, we are going to straighten the top leg. Now from here, we're going to be lifting our straightened leg into the air. And as we do it, we're actually going to squeeze those glute muscles as we do it. And as we lift into the air, the leg will stay straight. Now, we can actually repeat this exercise, and we can even include a hold at the top position. Now, if you are going to do a hold for around 3 to 5 seconds. And remember, maintain that squeeze in the glute. It may bring your foot slightly backwards, and we need to make sure that our foot is not rotating out as we do this exercise, that it continues facing the same direction as your chest and head are facing. Now we can repeat this exercise for a total of 10 repetitions, and we can do it for 3 sets. If it is too easy, you can use ankle weights to make this more difficult. Alternatively, you can do more repetitions, so go up to 30 repetitions, 3 sets if you have to. Otherwise, stay at the basic standard, 10 repetitions, 3 sets, nice and slowly, focus on control. And if you haven't already done so, support me, a growing YouTuber. You can do that by hitting that subscribe button right now in the corner, this one, right here, click it, that's good. You can see all of my previous videos on my channel. Alternatively, this one right here or this one might be of serious interest to you right now. Don't forget to like the video. I'll see you next time.